So what we're seeing is an opportunity where a customer with multiple facilities could actually delay building a new distribution center. So they're getting data that allows them to see if the building's balanced. They may need to move labor from the picking areas to the shipping areas to make sure that you're getting out what you're putting in. The customers seem most excited about the efficiency inside the building. How are they better planning? How are they better balancing? How are they better utilizing their labor? So today, a lot of customers have data in disparate sources, so it's hard to look at the data as an aggregate and make good decisions on it. They don't have enough visibility and control. When you're looking at transient data day in and day out, you might not notice a repetitive issue that's happening. So a great example are jams on a sorter. So you'd want to look at jams on a sorter and say, are the number of jams I'm having increasing or decreasing over time, so that I can go and take action and try to find the root cause of why are we seeing this escalated issue. With another one of our customers, we're monitoring data around their critical path shipping sortation system. So we're looking at balance at their major merge points. We're looking at flow through their sortation system. We're looking at error counts and KPIs that are going to lead to them getting the most productivity out of the sorter. So we've already identified a few key KPIs such as scanner read rate, bad gap percentages that are too high that we would consider opportunities that need to be addressed. So once those are addressed, we expect a double-digit percentage growth of output of the sortation system. So what we're seeing with a customer that has multiple facilities, if we can provide them that extra 1% of output across all of their existing facilities, they could actually delay building a new center to service their customers with the efficiencies gained in existing centers.